Hey everyone, welcome back to our warm and cozy English podcast. I hope you're comfortable, maybe sitting with tea or coffee or maybe nothing, just relaxing. Today I was thinking about my wallet and I opened it and it was almost empty. That moment was, a little scary, but also funny. So today's topic is English podcast for beginners A2 to B1. Let's talk about money, easy ways to save and budget.
Yeah, money. Everyone thinks about it every single day. And today we'll talk about it in simple, friendly English. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our warm English conversations. So, Admit, why was your wallet empty?
Well, I think I spent too much on, snacks like chips and coffee. I always say, I will save money, but then I buy silly things.
Yeah, many people do that. Actually, yesterday I bought a notebook, but I already have 4 notebooks. I don't know why I did that.
It happens. Money is stressful because we think about rent, food, bills, transport, and sometimes dreams.
Dreams like travel or buying a new phone or saving for the future.
Exactly. Vocabulary moment. Budget means a simple plan of how to use your money. Repeat after me. Budget.
Budget. Nice. And save means you keep money. You don't use it.
Right. Okay, quick question to our listeners. Do you feel stressed about money? If yes, you're not alone.
Before we continue, let's do a small practice break. Okay, repeat after me slowly. I want to save more money.
I will make a simple budget. Now, think about your last week. What did you spend money on? Food, clothes, transport? Just think for 10 seconds.
All right, let's continue.
So, Sarah, what's one easy way to save money?
Number 1, make a spend list. Sorry, I said it wrong. I mean, spending list. See, small mistake.
It's okay. A spending list means you write where your money goes.
Yes. And second, cook at home. It's cheaper, healthier, and sometimes more fun.
Yeah, buying food outside is too expensive now. Even small things like juice or snacks add up.
Exactly. Another tip is no-spend days. A no-spend day means you don't buy anything for one day.
Oh, yeah. I tried that last week, but I failed. I bought a chocolate.
Chocolate is dangerous.
Vocabulary time again. Repeat after me. Save money. Spending list. No spend day.
Nice. Some people also put money in small envelopes. Rent envelope, food envelope, transport envelope.
Yeah, that's called the envelope method. Very easy for beginners.
And it helps you see your money clearly.
Okay, listeners, here's your challenge. Think of 2 things you can stop buying for 1 week.
Maybe snacks, cold drinks, online delivery. I don't know. You choose.
Now, say this sentence. I will save money by not buying.
Good job. Let's move to our last scene.
So, Sarah, do you use a budget app?
Not really. I tried one, but I forgot the password.
Okay, that happens. But budget apps are good for tracking your money.
Yes, and one more habit, check your money every night, just 2 minutes. Like, today I spent this, tomorrow I will save that.
Yeah, small daily habits make big changes. Sometimes people think saving is very hard, but actually, small steps help.
Exactly, and don't feel sad if you make mistakes. Everyone spends too much sometimes. Just try again the next day.
That's true. And also, talk about money with someone you trust. A friend, family, anyone. Talking helps you think better.
And now, last vocabulary before we close. Repeat after me. Budgeting, daily habits.
Nice! So, remember in the beginning when I said my wallet was empty? Now I think maybe after today's conversation, I will start saving more.
So, what did you learn today? Did you learn new words? New ideas to save money?
We hope this warm conversation helped you understand money in simple English.
Before you go, here's your writing challenge. Write in the comments, I will save money this week by...
And don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with someone who wants to learn English.
Take care, stay warm, and keep learning.
Bye!